I'm sorry. I haven't uploaded in almost a week. Please don't hurt me. Okay, so in today's Roblox video, we're going to be playing a game called Magic Training. Before the video does start though, only 78% of you are subscribed. So, if you do enjoy these types of videos, then be sure to leave a like and subscribe. It costs nothing and it's literally free. Okay, on with the video. So, as I said before, we're playing a game called Magic Training. It's basically Harry Potter. If you don't know what Harry Potter is, you live under a rock. So, for example, you can do spells. So, let's just do probably the most well-known spell, Avada Kedavra. It's an instant kill. Let's use it on an unforgiving person. You. Yep, he instantly dead. You can also block spells, so... hang on, I'm just going to kill him. So you can do duo to stop them, deleterious or deleterious to disintegrate them. Why? You can also fly in this game, which is actually really satisfying, but it does cost 500 Robux. You can also get an Elder Wand, but that's like quite expensive. So for example, you can do this spell with it, the Protocol Diabolica. That Grindelwald used that in Fantastic Beasts. So anyway, this is just a cool little game to mess around on. You can do loads and loads of spells, quite weird ones as well. So for example, EWO. Yes, it sounds as stupid as it is stupid as it sounds. Literally, look. Oh no, I'm gonna die. I can't fly because I'm taking damage. Uh-oh. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Dude. You can do Expulso. You can just spam rockets. I missed, are you kidding me? Carpe retract him if I hit him. Oh, for God's sake, man. Oh no. Oh, okay. Oh, wait, I got him. Deleterious. Okay. Ugh! Yes, he died. So, this game is quite fun, because you can draw people. I'm going to try and get one, but if I can't, I'll just show you what it looks like. Flashing. That is flashing. It's quite cool. When you're on the screen, you have to click the white orbs. Oh, God. Okay. So, I'm going to quickly summon the Dark Mark, Morse Mortar. There you are. The Folio is pretty OP, it's like Sectum Sempra, but it's better and easier to do. If you want to exit a clash, say if you're losing, just back away. Like far, like over here or somewhere. So... I feel bad. Why? But if you have to fly, you have to wait a bit. So like a couple seconds. Because otherwise there is a cooldown, so it isn't too OP. Hello, mate. Oh! No, he's not chasing me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't know where he went. He's over here, Deleterious. Oh, no, he blocked it. If you want to just chill with your friends in like a protected area, just say pro to go, like that. And then space totalum, like that. You can pause the video if you want. Say it and then hold click. Boom. It's like a shield. Let's just do Duro for an example. You try and shoot, it just blocks it. But if you want to get rid of it, you just type Abolio, like that, and then it'll get rid of it. As you can see, it's slowly getting rid of it, and then it's gone. If you want like a really OP spell, the Fodio is one. Like Sextum Sempra, but it's easier to type. So let me just find a person to do it on. They're all over here. I'm gonna land up here, wait a tiny bit, the Fodio, like that. Say it. Boom, her health is deteriorating. She might get healed though. And she is dead. Yep, she's dead. So it is really OP. You can also pair that with a explosive spell like Bombarder. Cause that's just a quicker way to kill them rather than waiting for her to bleed out. So let me just find another person. There seems to be a shield. If you want to hide in the roof, just say Appa, teleport into the roof. So quick. Are you kidding me? I was just chilling in the roof, bro. So overall, this game is very fun to just mess around on. If you're good at spells and you remember them, it's quite fun. There is like 55 spells or something like that. You can like make people's heads larger. You can just disintegrate people. It's quite fun. Anyway, I'm just going to show you some secret places. Okay, this is secret place number 1. I'm just going to do Lumos, so you can see. As you can see, you can't get in, but if you use the Apple glitch, and you just teleport into the wall, it'll actually make you go on top of the wall. To get out, there's like a little gap right here, and then you can just first person out. The second secret place is here, so it's just on this little island behind it. You go in through the tunnels, and then you've got this little palace thing. And there's thrones inside there as well, so you can just chill. So there's 3 thrones. The third secret place is, as I said before, the upper glitch inside the upper floor. Just type upper, teleport into the ceiling, voila. And then if you want to get out, just type upper and do it at the ceiling again, and you'll be on top of the house. The third secret place is this little bar on this island. For some reason, you can't walk past like the first staircase. So if I go up here, I can't get up. But if I type upper and I teleport, I actually am above it. It is a little bit weird though. You might think, oh wait, I'm not above it. So you can get in here, keep going up, and then you've got to the top of the tower, and you can't go through the windows. And I don't know if you can cast spells either. No, you can't. Again, how to get out, just type upper, teleport into the roof. Voila. Yeah, so that is the third place. Or fourth, I don't know. This second one isn't really a, this one isn't really a secret, because you can see it from like anywhere on the map. But it's just a cool place to hang out. So you've got a throne there if you want to roleplay being a powerful dark wizard, or a light wizard, I don't know. Okay, so that's the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. If you want to see more videos like this on secret places and games, then feel free to like and show me you want more. Anyway, that's the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.